नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों। हेलो डियर चिल्ड्रन। मैं आपकी हिंदी अध्यापिका हूँ। दिस इज योर हिंदी मैम। डू यू ऑल फाइन? यस, आई होप सो। ओके चिल्ड्रन, शैल वी मूव ऑन टू टुडे सेक्शन? यस। तो बच्चों, अब तक हम हिंदी के वर्णमाला से स्वर को सीखा है ना। आज हम स्वर के बाकी अक्षरों को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ेंगे। So children, so far we have learned swar letters starting from R to U, isn't it? Yes. In today's section, we are going to learn rest of the swar letters with an example as usual. But before that, we will just see a quick recap of our previous sections. Okay, let's see. Varnamala. Varnamala means what? Alphabet. From Varnamala, first we are going to see swar. Swar means what? Vowels. And what are they? A, e, o, re or ru. Then ai, o, au, and aha. Next, what is this letter? This is the first letter of swar. A. Short sound. A. A say what? Yes, anar. A say anar. Anar means what? Pomegranate. A say pomegranate. The next letter is long sound A. A say arm. A say arm. Arm means, you all know this, isn't it? Mango. Arm means what? Mango. The next letter is E. E say imli. Short sound E. E say what? Imli. Imli means it's nothing but tamarind. Next is long sound E. E say eek. E say what? Eek. Eek means sugarcane. Then U. Short sound U. U say upavan. Upavan means what? Garden. U say upavan, garden. The next letter is long sound O. O say oont. O say oont. Oont means camel, isn't it? So, today children, what we are going to see next is, can you guess? Yes, the next letter Re. Re or Ru. We can say this letter Ru also. So see the picture and say, what is the picture? What is this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a sage, isn't it? So Re say Rishi. Re say what? Rishi. Rishi means sage. Rishi means sage. So Re say Rishi. Re say Rishi. So how will you pronounce? How will you spell the word? Listen carefully. What is this letter? Re plus she. Short sound she. If you join these two letters together, we will get this word Rishi. Re plus she, Rishi. Got it? Re plus she, Rishi. Then next letter A. What is this letter? A. A say what? Ache. A say ache. Ache means one. Very good. So ache say, A say ache. Ache means what? One. A say egg. C. A say egg. So, I'm going to spell the word. Listen carefully. A plus ka. If you join these two letters together, we will get this word egg. Ekha, egg. See, already in the previous section, I have explained you how to spell the word, isn't it? So, you should read like this. You should spell the word like this. A plus ka. But while you pronounce the word, you should pronounce this word like egg. The last letter should be pronounced like half letter. Ka becomes ik. Okay? A ka ek. Got it? Okay, let's move on to the next letter. After A, what is the next letter? I. What is this letter? I. I say Airavat. What is this word? I say Airavat. Airavat means what? See the picture. What is this picture? This is a picture of an elephant, isn't it? But what is the color of this elephant? It is in white color, isn't it? So, Airavat means white elephant. Okay? I say Airavat. Airavat means what? White elephant. Listen carefully. I say Airavat. I say Airavat. See, again I am going to spell the word. I plus long sound ra. I plus ra plus va plus tha. I plus ra plus va plus tha. Join these four letters together. Then we will get this word Airavat. Okay? I plus ra plus va plus tha becomes what? Airavat. Like this only you should read the word. The next letter is O. What is this letter? O. O say owned. O say owned. Owned means lip. Owned means what? Lip. O say owned. Here, see the difference between this letter and this letter. See, this letter is O. Okay? If you place a dot on the letter, on the top of the letter, it becomes what? On. This dot has the sound of in. Okay, this is the symbol for in. If you place a dot on this letter, it becomes what? On. O becomes on. On plus ta, we will get this word owned. Okay, on plus ta, owned. O in plus tha, owned. Okay, to explain this letter, I have given here O separately and in sound separately. Listen carefully. This is the letter O, and if you place a dot on the letter, it becomes what? Own. If you add the star, we will get this word owned. Okay, you should not pronounce this as owned ta. This should be pronounced like owned. Always the last letter should be pronounced like half letter. Okay, ta becomes it. Okay, So what is this word? Won't. Can you understand? Okay, let's move on to the next letter. What is the next letter? I taught you before, isn't it? What is this letter? Guess. Yes, this letter is ow. What is this letter? Ow. Ow say aurat. Ow say aurat. Aurat means what? Women. Yes, women. Okay. Aurat means what? Women. Ow say aurat. Ow say aurat. Ow plus ra plus tha aurat. Ow plus ra plus tha. If you join these together, we will get this word aurat. Okay. And the next letter is You can say this letter or un. Okay. It depends upon the word. Okay. Or un, you can say this letter. Okay. So un say angur. Un say angur. Angur means what? See the picture and say. Yes, you're right. Angur means grapes. Angur means what? Grapes. So, un say angur. Un say angur. Un plus gu plus ra joined together becomes angur. Un plus gu plus ra. If we join these letters together, we will get what? Angur. Okay. So, this is the last letter of swar. What is this letter? Aha. What is this letter? Aha. Aha say chah. Aha say chah. Chah means what? Number 6. Okay. Chah. Chah means number 6. Aha say chah. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now I hope you all know swar letters well, isn't it? So, dear children, next you ask your parents to click the video link given below and play it for you. This will be very helpful for you to learn how to read, write and pronounce swar letters better. Okay? In this link, you can watch swar letters, how to pronounce, write and read the swar letters clearly in a funny way. Okay? So children, I hope you all understood swar, isn't it? So in the next section, we will move on to the next lesson. Okay? Till that, you should keep on practice these swar letters by reading, writing. Okay? Till that, be safe, be healthy. Dhanyavad. Thank you.